Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to duplicate a page or post in WordPress. Whether you want to do it manually or use a plugin for bulk work, these steps relate perfectly to each other to save you time. First, let's look at the semi-manual way, which is great if you only need to copy one post. Open the existing post you want to copy and make sure you don't have an individual block selected. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the editor and select Copy All Content. Now simply create a new post, give it a title, and paste the content using Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Just remember to edit the content so you don't have exact duplicates on your site, which is bad for SEO. If you have a lot of posts to copy, using a plugin is a much faster route. A popular choice is the Duplicate Post plugin. Once you activate it, it adds a clone link directly under each post in your main dashboard. Clicking this instantly creates a draft copy with all the same settings and content. If you are running an online store, WooCommerce actually has this feature built in. Just hover over a product and click Duplicate to create a new one. For those of you who need to move in high volume, the WP Bulk Post Duplicator plugin is the way to go. This relates all your content together by allowing you to duplicate based on specific criteria. Go to Settings and then click on the plugin's name. You can select the post type, like Posts, and the status, like Published, and it will duplicate every single one of them for you at once. You can even filter by year to keep your archives organized. That is literally it. 3 ways to duplicate your content in seconds. If this quick guide helped you speed up your workflow, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to bulk edit these posts using a spreadsheet next, and I will see you in the next video.